Honestly speaking, I am fed up with the markets. I really don't know what to say. It's been very volatile, and last two or three trading session, it has been moving in a zigzag formation. For last two or three trading session, it has not moved anywhere. It is exactly at the same place where it was day before yesterday or yesterday. Yeah, even yesterday, day before yesterday. It's been in around 17,200 300 range for last two or three trading session. In between it is going to 17,000 and come back. In fact, today it touched 17,000. Today morning we were short in the market. Then we yesterday we were short in the market. Today morning also we were short in the market, and today market has reversed and gone up and is moving on the opposite direction. I really don't know, my friends, how to explain the scenario or how to manage these kind of markets. It's a very tough time for option sellers, particularly option sellers, small option sellers like us. So I find it very difficult to manage positions. It is very hard, and the great thing was today was India VIX also drastically fall. Not drastically, I wouldn't say drastically, around 2 or 3% fall in India VIX. And the reason was simple. We are just following global cues. We don't have our own problem. We are just behind US markets. Even now, as I talk to you, fuel prices are going high drastically. If I check oil prices, I think Brent crude has gone above 120, around $117. So it is inching up towards $117, and it seems we are forgetting all these things and going on the upside. Not only that, even central government has raised the fuel prices across country. I believe, yeah, yesterday night or day before yesterday, they increased the fuel prices across all petrol stations, all states. So, in spite of all this happening, we are moving on the upside. So that's what I told. We don't have any personal problems. We just follow the global cues. Whatever global markets does, we follow them. And today morning everything was fine. We shorted the market. Yesterday we shorted the market. Looking at this big candle. So if you had been following us in yesterday's video, also I told that there is a big engulfing pattern, and this is the probability of market going on the downside is down. And we also saw some trend formation and all. Everything is gone now, gone wrong now. Market is moving on the upside, and the reason was, as I told you, is the US markets and even Europe. When first part of the trading session was going fine, and second part of the trading session, I think around maybe 1:30 or yeah, around 1:30, we saw a V-shaped recovery. Yeah, around 12 o'clock, market started moving, and I can see Nifty around 12:40. It has low was around 17,067, and high was around 17,150. So in 5 minutes time frame, Nifty is moving 100 points. That is how we are suffering, and this is how markets fool us, or this is how market is treating us nowadays. So it's very tough for option sellers, particularly like me, right? Because market moving like this is very hard. And I'll tell you something, nobody will tell these things. Even they are facing problem, or even they are facing issues, they will come in front of the camera and just smile. But I cannot do like that. Whatever I have feeling, I will express in my videos. And you may tell this is negative and that this and all. Yeah, it will be negative for people who don't trade or who trade in small quantity, but we are not like that, right? And see the bank Nifty around low was, today's low was around 35,392, and high was around 36,000. Close was around 36,430. Around 1,000 points rally in just 2 hours, 2.5 hours. That is second part after Europe opened. And even now, as I talk to you, yeah, even now as I talk to you, US futures are trading firmly in the green. I think today morning when our markets opened, I saw US futures was down by 120 points, even 150 points. But suddenly, even European markets recovered, and when the European markets recovered, we saw our market also recovering sharply. And this could be the main reason, in spite of in spite of these things, Russia Ukraine issue and oil prices going up, all these things are happening, but still the markets want to go up. And let us see how things pan out. Nothing to say. I'm just saying this is very hard, very tough market to trade. And going forward also, I really don't know how things are going to work. Yesterday I saw 17,000 massive call rating in open interest. Yesterday was a yeah, if you have been following us, yesterday we talked about open interest, and there was so much of call writing in 17,000. Today that is gone. Today the opposite is happening. So much of put writing at 17,000. Yesterday call writing was happening at 17,000. Today put writing is happening at 17,000. So massive call was written on 17,100, 17,200. 300 also call rating, 200, 17,200 massive calls were written. I think not 17,000, 17,200. Now still, even now, if you compare the calls and put, there are aggressive calls, but it has, calls are more than puts, but it has significantly come down. Yesterday it was, put call ratio was high, now it is lower. And these things and all, no, open interest is something changing day by day, day by day, right? So yesterday there was aggressive calls, today there was aggressive puts. And this is something I cannot digest at all. From around 12:30, market was around 17,000, and it rallied all the way to 17,350. 30, around 330 points in just 2 hours or 3 hours. That is the only thing I cannot digest. How can, without any reason, or I don't know what could be the reason. If there is any reason, let me know. Why should the market rally like this? I am not sure why this is happening. So anyway, even seeing at the FII data yesterday, I thought, okay, FIIs have started selling, and going forward also they will start to sell. And I don't know how much they have sold today. And I don't care also, even they sold for the 200 crores or 2,000 crores or bought for 5,000 crores. I hope today FIIs and DIIs would have fought aggressively, because market are V-shaped, right? Anyway, let us see how things pan out. I'm kind of stressed because of these kind of violent moves. Let us see how things pan out on coming week. Should be good now. Let us see how things work out. I really don't know what is going to be the direction. One day coming down, second day going up, third day coming down. It's highly volatile. It's very, very highly volatile. So I don't want to talk much. We'll see how things pan out tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.